Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. As I promised in 2024, today I am releasing the course Master the Market Through Technical Analysis. Some key highlights about this course. See, in this course, you will learn 10 trading setups. See, in other technical analysis course, basically you will learn the pattern trading, breakout and breakdown. So when you consider the breakout and breakdown, you will get 4 trading setups. Okay, along with 4 trading setups, I have added another 6 trading setups. So there will be more opportunities, countless opportunities in the stock market. All the learnings are taught in step-by-step process. Even I have given a detailed checklist for each trading setup. Yes. Okay. If you are taking a trade, you need to check that checklist, and if all conditions are okay, you can take a trade. Okay, so you will get confidence in each and every trade. I have given a checklist for those trading setups and a detailed study on support and resistance. See, for trading, identifying the support and resistance is the basic thing. Okay, without identifying support and resistance, we cannot take trade and we cannot understand anything in the stock market. So you will learn in detailed way how to identify a support and resistance. And there will be a common question for each and every trader: when does support act as a support and when will it break down, right? So when does resistance act as resistance and when it will break out? You will learn all these things in this course. And the secret of candlestick trading method. See, many are following candlestick method, but still there is a key important secret or key important learning they need to understand. Candlestick pattern will not work always. There are certain situations, then the candlestick patterns will work effectively. So you will learn that secret and a clear entry, target and stop loss for each setup. In all trading setups, you will learn where you need to give entry, what will be the target and where will be the stop loss. Even based on your trading methods, even I have a separate session where you will learn which time frame you need to use, right? See, the another important point is learn the right indicator to trade the right setups. Using one indicator for all the setups will not work. The same indicator cannot be used for all trading methods. So you will learn the right indicator for the right trading setup. And most important point is risk management and trading psychology for a successful trader. Here you will learn how to manage the risk and more importantly, how we need to handle our emotions during the live trade and understand the complete market behavior and simple methods to identify the market trends. See, why market trends? Always remember, you should not trade against the trend. This is the basic principle. So you need to understand what is the trend. You can understand very easily. See, in my course, you should not memorize anything. I have taught Elliott wave like this. This is classical technical analysis, and believe me, you will not memorize anything. You will understand everything in an easy way. These are few key highlights, and you can visit the website for more information about the topics. You can also find session wise topics. Okay, and now let us come to the most important section, the course fees. See, similar courses are offered around 10K, right? And I already said my main intention in providing this course is to give quality content at affordable price. This is the promise I made in 2024. But the content in this course is worth more than 10K. I'm saying minimum, but to satisfy my intention and to give the quality content and affordable price, I'm hereby giving 40% discount, and the course fee has been fixed as 6,000 plus GST. Okay, but wait. See, while fixing this price, I thought about my Elliott Wave course learners. So I thought of giving some special offer to the my Elliott Wave course learners. While thinking about the special offer to Elliott Wave learners, I thought of giving that special offer to everyone for a very limited period. See, this special offer, special discount is always available to my Elliott Wave learners. But for others, this special offer is valid for only very short period. So, Elliott Wave learners, the special offer is always available to you. And for very limited period, the special discount is available for everyone with best interest, and genuinely I wish to spread good knowledge to all. Okay, I remember the mails from the stock market traders when I released my Elliott Wave course. They cannot afford it. I made this decision by remembering their mails. So the special offer is another 45% discount from 6,000, and the course price is fixed for rupees 3,300 plus GST. Okay, roughly around 3,300 plus GST. And I guarantee that you never get this quality of content for this price, right? And for others, this is limited offer. The course price will be revised to 6,000 very soon. And my Elliott Wave course learners, this special offer is always for you. Okay, you can register this course at any time for this price, but for others, this is very limited offer. Use this opportunity. I have completely reduced the price only for the purpose of spreading good knowledge to everyone. And one request to everyone, kindly spread this information to your friends, family members, and your trading community, right? So don't need to spend 10K, 15K, 20K to learn these things. See, not only the breakout and breakdown, you will learn the entire market. I promise that, right? See, if you are new to the stock market, and if you are in market but not able to make consistent profits, and whenever you are doubt that what is happening in the markets, you're not able to understand what is happening in the markets, everything, this course will be the answer for you. Okay, with the simple classical technical analysis, you can get all these things, right? And please remember that this course validity is for 365 days. This offer is valid for only a very short period. So if you wish to register this course, use this opportunity, and I give all the details in the description. So thank you so much. Master the markets through technical analysis, a roadmap for successful trader. I wish you all the best. Kindly check the description for more details. Register now, get the access immediately. Thank you. Have a good day.